The rapid growth in NFT market over the past months has offered numerous existing ways for investors to make money and generate return on investment. Digital assets has become a compelling way to diversify investment portfolio, with this trend set to become increasingly popular in the years to come. Do you want to make money in NFT? I will review to you all you need to know about making money in NFT. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to discover more on how to make money online. What is NFT? NFT is a non-fungible token. It is a unique digital identifier that is recorded on a blockchain, and it is used to certify ownership and authenticity. It cannot be copied, substituted, or subdivided. The ownership of an NFT is recorded on the blockchain and can be transferred by the owner, allowing NFT to be sold and traded. How are NFT traded? NFT trading is the process of buying non-fungible tokens and selling them for a higher price after a year, month, or later. You can trade them on secondary marketplaces like OpenSea, Lalibor, Binance NFT, Nifty Gateway, Coinbase, SuperRare, and Marketplace. Investors can browse the NFT marketplace, look for NFTs like digital piece of art that they are interested in and buy it. Unlike common marketplace, the purchase is not paid with dollar or euro but with crypto coin. Moreover, there are many crypto coins in the world you can use to trade and pay for your NFT. It depends on the marketplace that you are using. For example, if the marketplace is based on the Ethereum blockchain, you will pay with Ethereum coin. If the marketplace is run on the crypto.org blockchain, you can pay with CRO coin. How to create your NFT? Follow these steps to create an NFT from scratch. Step 1. Figure out what you want to create. NFT are typically tied to a piece of digital art. Step 2. Choose a blockchain. Step 3. Set up an NFT wallet. Step 4. Choose an NFT platform. Step 5. Create the NFT. Step 6. List the NFT for sales. How to make profit with NFT? One approach to that is to create and sell your own NFT by minting them and listing them on the marketplace. Another option is to trade NFT, buying low and selling high based on the trend and popularity. Lending NFTs to others for use in game or niche platform can also generate income for you. To make money in NFT, number 1, invest in a play-to-earn NFT project called Tamadodge. Tamadodge is an exciting new project that combines memo coin. There is benefit from NFT ownership and play-to-earn game. Currently, it is available on the OKS. There is benefit with NFT ownership and play-to-earn game. Currently, it is available on the OKS decentralized and decentralized exchange. Tamadodge cemented its place as one of the year's best crypto pre-sale after raising a stunning $19 million. Holders of the pet feed, care, and take them for walk to watch them glow. Once fully grown, they can battle with other holders for chance to climb up a ladder board and earn reward. Pets would then transform from 3D to augmented reality, allowing holders to take their pets in the real world to explore and hunt for tokens. After raising $19 million, the project has been listed on several prominent exchange platforms, including OKX, F-Bank, and Uniswap. This led the Tama token to soar to nearly $0.2, marking close to 1,900% increase over its early pre-sales price and a 600% increase premium compared to its listing price. The NFT has increased statistics, making them perfect for boosting earnings. However, it could be worth stocking on token before the release of additional functionality that pushes it to new heights. Number 2, play to earn silk NFT game. Another good approach to making money and profiting from NFT token is to take part in play to earn NFT game. Many of the best NFT game now employ play to earn features, which allows players to generate reward through silk play game. These rewards are denominated in the platform native token, meaning they can be spent on in-game item or exchange for fiat. Using NFT game to make money has become a popular approach, with numerous platforms springing up and offering a way to generate consistent income. Axel Infinite is one of the most prominent users battle used to earn reward. In addition, since most important in-game items are structured as NFT, the digital currency earned as reward can be reinvested into better items, leading to increased performance. Investors buy Axie Infinite token on cryptocurrency exchange platform and gain indirect exposure to the play-to-earn space. Number 3, receive compounded gain from the HTF fund by investing in uncharted NFT. Another way to make money with NFT is to purchase NFT connected to a real-world functioning trading fund that distributes earnings to holders. One good option is to invest in the Uncharted NFT collection, the project that bridges the gap between trad field and the Web3 industry. The owner of the Uncharted NFT collection earns 20% per month, and it is distributed to all holders on quarterly basis. The revenue is generated from a high-frequent trading HTF fund with a proven track record that can boast performance up to 400% per annum. The revenue generated from NFT sale is deposited into the Zeta Capital Fund and is deployed into the HTF algorithm. The Zeta Capital Fund conducts trade with capitals as dictated by a compressed and secure HTF algorithm with team of expert traders to generate revenue for all NFT holders. To make profit with NFT, you have to buy NFT. Buying into the NFT collection puts holders on a 3-year journey of investment, compounding, distribution, and profits. As the fund continues to compound and grow, all holders receive a percentage of quarterly profit through an airdrop. Number 4, invest in a passive cryptocurrency mining protocol. You can make money with NFT passive cryptocurrency mining. A good innovative project in the space is Copium protocol, a mining investment ecosystem that provides a simple solution to participate in passive cryptocurrency mining. The Copium protocol is centered around Copium mining, a real-world cryptocurrency mining facility. The mining facility is located in New Zealand and it's powered by 100% green renewable energy generated in Southern Alpine. The project release was Copium Protocol Investor Pass, a collection of 10,000 NFTs that was minted on the Ethereum network. The NFT were sold through a Dutch auction via the project website at a starting price of 3.5 Ethereum. However, the first 2,000 people that registered early on the project website receive a guaranteed mid-spot at a lower fixed price of 3 Ethereum. Coupon coin purchased from the coupon mining revenue were sent to a bond address, making coupon coin a deflationary asset. Moreover, all investors pass holders are entitled to the following benefits: an exclusive airdrop of coupon coin. Each NFT holder is entitled to receive 10,000 coupon coin via a gas-only transaction. The ability to stack the investors' pass on the platform is exchanged for a daily allocation of 10 coupon coin per NFT stack. Automatic entry into the monthly coupon giveaway. The coupon protocols provide fantastic opportunity to make money with NFT. Holders of NFT investors pass are exclusively entitled to high-yield interest rates and higher staking rewards. The minimum investor pass holder rate is still higher than the minimum public staking rate. Own one of the NFTs if you want to make money and maximize return on your investment. Purchasing NFT provides you with an allocation of coupon coin and helps improve the mining facility. In return, the revenue generated from the mining facilities helps to create a sustained demand for coupon coin on the open market and makes it a deflationary asset. Number 5, invest in early promising new NFTs. One of the best ways to make money on an NFT is to invest in promising new collections early before they skyrocket in value. Many of the best NFT were initially minted at a low price, with their value increasingly exponentially in weeks and months after launch. However, some of the best utility NFT have so much potential to enter mainstream acquisition. The main example of this is CryptoPunk, which was purchased in 2017 between $1 and $34. When the NFT craze took over in 2021, this punk became incredibly valuable due to the upgrade in their status within the space. This culminated in this NFT being purchased by celebrities and other high-profile names, with one punk even selling for $24 million. Make money in NFT with Battle Infinity. Battle Infinite is another project that has a multi-strand ecosystem and a low entry price. Battle Infinity is a revolutionary play-to-earn experience, offering a rich virtual world where players interact with others and generate rewards through silk gameplay. These rewards are denominated in IBAT. Players can use Battle Infinite native token to invest in their NFTs project. One good approach is to structure the player within the Battle Infinite Fantasy Sports League as NFTs. This makes it quick and easy for users to trade this player with one another while providing a good way to make passive income and benefit from the price fluctuations in the secondary market. Moreover, NFT-based mechanism within Battle Infinite World is the plot of virtual land that users can buy. These land parcels are located in the Battle Arena, that is Battle Infinite Metaverse project. Virtual land owners can lend the land out to others or advertise via in-game billboard. The IBAT launched on the decentralized exchange PancakeSwap in mid-August saw early investors' net peak profit of 700% with a total market cap of around $60 million. Where to invest in NFT? If you're looking to invest in NFT project for flipping or wish to buy an NFT and hold, choosing a safe and reliable marketplace is vital to facilitate your return on investment. NFT Launchpad is the best NFT marketplace. NFT Launchpad is ideal for those who want to make money in NFT. As a beginner, the platform offers both investing and minting services. Presently, NFT Launchpad provides integration with the Binance Smart Chain and Polygon network with more partnership in progress. In terms of NFT investment, NFT Launchpad offers a wide range of categories to choose from, including digital arts, animations, games, music, videos, and more. All NFTs are denominated in WBNB, which can be easily purchased from the best altcoin exchange. In addition, NFT Launchpad has full support for MetaMask wallet with Trust Wallet support. Minting is easy with NFT Launchpad, and users can choose various formats, including MP4. It is easy to create single and multiple collections with options for auction and fixed price sale. NFT Launchpad allows users to set their loyalties, providing a pathway toward a passive income stream. Check the playlist of my video on how to make money online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.